Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to switch between an evergreen calendar and a live calendar. So to start, let's go to the timeline. You want to switch between those calendars. So we'll be opening this one. And up here, you'll see here the pen icon. This is actually the edit button. So let's click on that. And as you can see here, I am currently set to Evergreen calendar. So if we go back here, this is what you'll see. This will show you the days before and the days after the event and the event date itself. So if I want to switch it to a regular or a live calendar, just click on this drop down and then select live calendar. It will ask you for your live event date because that's where it will base where to put your main event. So let's say I'll be putting it on the 30th. Start time will be at 2 a.m. There you go. Time zone. Once you're satisfied, just click on update. And as what you can see here, I have been switched to a live calendar, which is like a regular calendar view. Well, you'll see the dates and the days on the calendar. So I set it to the main event to be on the 30th. So as you can see, it moved it over here, including my timeline actions. So if you want to switch back to Evergreen, just click on this one again, click on the drop down, Evergreen calendar, and then click on update. And that's it. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be notified of our future uploads, and feel free to leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching.